Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction on managing after-sales queries within Prospect CRM. Whilst product businesses don't tend to need complex or dedicated support ticketing, they do need to manage things like delivery issues, product returns, and sometimes even warranty and servicing for products they do sell. Within Prospect CRM, you can log customer issues as CRM tickets, and this can be done under a specific company or a contact you might be speaking to. As you can see on the screen, I'm in Michelle Jury's contact record, who works at Browns of Ipswich. Down the side menu, I've got a problem section where I can view any log tickets that Michelle has open, or indeed historical ones that we've worked on in the past for Michelle. If I choose one of these open tickets and just click on that to open the record, straight away when I come into this, I can see what stage of the process we're in. So this has been logged and it's a new issue. We haven't progressed it any further as yet. But these are all statuses that can be configured within Prospect CRM and allow your teams to select what part of the stage or what stage they're in as they progress through this ticket with the customer. You can even log things like closed statuses, whether it's failed to resolve, unsuccessful, etc., or indeed successful, which is what we hope for, but allowing you to then report on the resolutions for the tickets or ones that weren't closed and why they weren't able to be resolved for the customer at any point. For each ticket as well, you're able to set a type, and these are again configurable based on what after-sales queries you might get on a day-to-day basis from your customers. So things like accounts queries, delivery issues, product issues, and so on. Each type can also then be related to a pipeline, which allows you to set out a workflow for your customer services teams to get to that all-important resolution for your customers. We've also got this activity section for each type of ticket as well, which allows you to set notes for the ticket that you're working on, also allowing you to set to-dos for yourself or other users of the CRM to action, allowing it to be really easy to pass this ticket through different departments to get to that all-important resolution again. You can also store documents against each ticket as well, and this might be images that the customer sent on a damaged delivery, or it could be emails that have been sent in relating directly to this issue as well. If you have particular documents that you use on a regular basis, such as RMAs, these can be created as templates within Prospect CRM and generated and stored against that ticket as well. You can also create quotes and orders against tickets within Prospect CRM. For example, you might need to key a free of charge replacement product to send out to your customer, but by creating a quote and order within Prospect CRM and confirming that through to your inventory system, you're also making sure that you're managing that stock levels as well correctly. Or indeed, if you're doing a service for a chargeable repair, you might want to set out a quote and then go through to an order for that customer for parts that you're using on that repair. We've also got some other information against the ticket, so things like the active time, obviously that all-important follow-up date if any to-dos are set, and we've got a communication section for the contact this ticket's logged against as well. You'll also notice that we've got this equipment item directly related to this particular CRM ticket that's been logged. Now, equipment items can be created and managed against companies within your Prospect CRM. So if a particular company buys a product that needs to be tracked or has a warranty period or might have a servicing agreement with it, you can store them as equipment items against that company, and a company can have multiple equipment items associated with it. Against that equipment item, you can store things like the description, some further notes such as the location of that item at the customer's site. We've also got the configurable type options and status of that particular equipment item. We've got some other fields like version number and contract reference, which can be renamed and repurposed if required. Date fields for manufacturer warranty or commission and decommission dates. A manufacturer section as well, which allows you to set up different manufacturer drop-down. And also this allows you to select contacts from within the CRM for this particular equipment item. So people that you might need to contact to book service appointments with and so on. For each equipment item, you can also store documents, and you can also view a historical list of problems that have been logged directly against that particular product itself. You'll also notice that we have a contracts page as well. So within Prospect CRM, you can create and manage contracts against a company. as well as these equipment items. And then you can assign these contracts to equipment items or indeed multiple equipment items. And the contracts can be logged against the company, and you can have multiple contracts for that company. The contract itself, you can give it a description, a contact. We've got some referencing fields here and a detail section, as well as a type drop-down that can be configured, status that can be configured, and also the start and end date for the contract. That allows you to run reports for your customer service team, such as show me all the contracts that are due to end in the next month or two, and allows you that upsell ability to go to that customer, tell them their contract's ending and try to resell that contract to them, or maybe an upgraded version of that contract, and so on. Again, against the contract, you can store documents such as the contract agreement itself. You can also see the equipment items that are related to that contract, and again, you can add multiple to one contract. And if I just go to the Brands of Ipswich company record itself, against the navigation menu or the menu for that particular company, you will have the contract and equipment section, which allows you to view all the contracts and equipment items for that particular company. So all of this allows you to keep all after-sales inquiries and after-sales documentation, contracts, etc., in one centralized location for your customer self-service teams. So hopefully this short introduction has demonstrated how Prospect CRM can help you resolve customer issues efficiently and turn every problem into an amazing customer experience.